How to use the side button for accessibility on iPhone. Your iPhone has a host of accessibility-friendly features designed to make it work better for you. This includes the ability to add an accessibility shortcut to your phone using the side button, the one used to lock and unlock your phone on iPhones 10 and above. To set the shortcut up, first go to your iPhone settings. Then choose Accessibility. After that, scroll down until you can see Accessibility Shortcut. You'll see a few options here. You can choose as many or as few as you need. Once you've chosen the accessibility-friendly features that matter most to you, you can use the 3 bars to the right of their names to order them in terms of priority. Straight away, you'll see that when you triple tap the side button, a menu will appear that includes the accessibility shortcuts you've chosen. Finally, you can modify how the side button behaves when you press it. If you go into Settings, then Accessibility, then Side Button, you'll see 3 options. The first, Click Speed, lets you adjust the speed with which you need to tap the side button to make the accessibility shortcut menu appear. The second option, Press and Hold to Speak, lets you decide what happens when you hold the side button. By default, this will activate Siri. However, you can switch it to activate voice control or turn it off entirely. Finally, you can decide how you confirm payments using the side button. So that's that. Now you know how to use the side button to suit your personal accessibility needs, or help someone you know with theirs. We've got more guides that will show you how to make your iPhone easier to use over at vodafone.co.uk. And for more tips and support, subscribe to the Vodafone UK YouTube channel.